Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you what's inside an iPhone, because when I was dropping it a couple of times like this, the back was peeling off from the phone, and then I just peeled it even more back, and then to check out that this is the battery. That part's the battery. That's the camera. That's what goes in this hole. And then everything else is on the left. I want to take the battery out. But if I give it even more, the bottom half moves. It's like a broken half. See? See it move? I could break it off. This all piece would like fall off. And then when I was drop testing it with the duct tape thing, I didn't notice, and this also is bent. If you can tell. Yeah. That's what kind of battery they use. And then that's how the button works. Yeah. The Apple logo is right there. I can't pull the battery out. So yeah, that's the video. Just wanted to show you what's inside an old iPhone 4S. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.